Step 1. Place chair base on the floor, turn legs so that holes in swivel plates align, and insert locking pin through the holes. Place chair base on the bottom of the seat cushion. Align the holes in the swivel plate with the holes in the bottom of the seat cushion, and insert a bolt with washer and lock washer into each hole. Once all 4 bolts are in, fully tighten. Rotate legs slightly and remove locking pin. Place the chair on the floor, is now ready to be used.